Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Since it's the Christmas season, I'll start this tradition to unbox an advent calendar with you guys every year. Okay, I'm gonna start this tradition. So this year, I'm gonna unbox a fully skincare advent calendar. You guys should be excited because I know a lot of you guys like me love skincare. Here it is. It's by Celmonze Paris. And look at it, guys. Oh, isn't it so pretty and so festive looking? If you guys are not familiar with Celmonze, it's a one-stop beauty salon and they have over 50 outlets in Malaysia and Singapore. Celmonze is really popular for their amazing facials, body slimming, body massage, and of course their signature facials and signature facelift massage. And their theme for their advent calendar is the glow of Paris. Of course, firstly, they are founded in France and they do want to bring us the glow of Paris of all the Parisian and French girls. Firstly, with one of their full-size star product, which is the Hydro Marine Essence, together with other 11 signature products in here. Also, please watch till the end of the video because since it's Christmas, we're gonna give away 5 of these Hydro Marine Hydration Essence, which is worth 398 ringgit each bottle. Try to win one of these for yourself, okay? Recently, about 2 weeks ago, I just went to their salon. I myself did their Hydro Marine facial treatment, which was so amazing. My skin was literally glowing for about 3 to 4 days. I'm not even kidding. It not only helps in the rejuvenation of the skin, plumpness of the face, also it was so relaxing with their special facelift massage and shoulder massage and hot stone massage. So if you guys are looking for a good facial place, I would definitely recommend you guys to try Celmonze. And after the facial, they also gave me some products to try at home. They're really hydrating, nourishing, and really good, and it's featured in the advent calendar as well. Firstly, they have their star product, like I mentioned, the Hydro Marine Hydration Essence. So lightweight, so hydrating. It has this special technology, can actually provide 3 times more hydration to the skin with that special adenosine triphosphate and using ingredients like marine plankton and algae. The texture is very watery. It smells really good, by the way. It just absorbs and the skin just quickly feels much hydrated and very plump. Let's see what else do we have in this advent calendar. Let's start from here. Ooh, firstly we have their Bi-Face Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. So this product is enriched with vitamin B5 and vitamin E to gently cleanse and melt away eye makeup in seconds. Next, we have Matrix Cell Firming Cream. This cream has high-tech peptides. When you hear peptides, you know it's for anti-aging. It helps to diminish signs of stress and also increase elasticity to the skin. Let's open this one. There's a sunscreen. So this is their sun protection of SPF of 25++. Right here. Ooh, we have another essence. Here they have the Aqua Derm Skin Corrective Sensitive Relief Essence, especially for those who have really sensitive skin. It's in a spray form. Wow, it's really very hydrating and very soothing, and it has this minty feeling on the skin. I like this already. Look at the glow the mist gives me right now. Let's see what is in here. Oh, this is their Vitalik Cleansing Milk. I actually have this and I just recently started using it. See, it's in this really nice milky texture. It smells so good. It feels like putting milk on the skin. It's very nourishing and it doesn't dry the skin. Next one. Ooh, this stuff is expensive. I know it when I see it already. 5 of these ampules. And if you guys don't know what is ampule, it's something like serum, but it's even more potent than serum. So I don't think you need to use this like every day, probably once a week. But this is their Hydro Concentrate Ampule and they're in turquoise color, my favorite color. So it says that this has the ability to boost skin hydration, to enhance skin suppleness and reduce fine lines. So it's both an hydrating product as well as anti-aging as well. I can't wait to try these. Isn't it so fun unboxing an advent calendar? I really love it. Next, we have this Celmonze Caviar DNA Imperial Serum. Wow, this must be some expensive stuff. It looks like a lightweight cream. Really has real caviar inside. It helps to promote intensive renovation. Infuses skin with antioxidants to maintain the youthful look. They really have a lot of good stuff in here. Let's see what's in this big box. Oh, so this is a toner. I think in this advent calendar, basically have everything in a skincare routine that you need. Herbal toning lotion for normal to oily skin. And it's in spray form. You guys know I love mists, right? right? Again, it's very refreshing and it feels very hydrating as well. We have 3 more to go. Here we have Celmonze Enzyme Peeling. I did try this out during the facial as well. So this is like an exfoliating product rich with antioxidants that helps to slough off the dead skin cells to reveal a smoother, softer skin. And right here we have a hydrating mask as well. So cute, so small. I did try this out in the facial I did with Celmonze the other day. It's enriched with 2 moisturizing agents. Gives an intensive moisturizing and distressing effect to the skin. And last one, guys, we have here the Femininity Body Oil. We have muscle pains, menstrual pains. So this actually helps to relieve the pain. It has rose and lavender inside. What it's supposed to do is massage it at the lymph nodes to actually help in circulation. It claims to help to reduce PMS, which is gonna be amazing, right? It elevates our mood and rejuvenates the health as well. Thank you so much for sending me this beauty advent calendar. It's so pretty with such amazing products, really. They have limited pieces only and will be available until January. So if you're interested to get this, you can go and visit any Celmonze The Signature Outlet. I'll put the link below on all the outlets that they have. They have like 50 outlets in the whole of Malaysia and Singapore. And now it's time for the giveaway. Yay! So excited for you guys to try this Hydro Marine Essence. So this giveaway will be happening on my Instagram. So to join this giveaway, step 1 is to follow me on Instagram and also follow Celmonze The Signature's Instagram. Step 2 is to comment this chuk chuk hydration emojis and tag 2 friends on my Instagram post about this giveaway. And that's it. So don't worry, I'll put all the links on my description box below on my Instagram, Celmonze Instagram, and also the Instagram post where you have to comment. Good luck everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video and unboxing this advent calendar with me. Merry Christmas, and I have more skincare and makeup videos for you guys. Please do stay tuned. I'll see you guys next time. Happy holidays!